Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. I'm Sophia. What's your name? Leave your name in comments and what you love about my videos. We will be redoing the pots out and then back in the greenhouse. No repotting things, just re-putting the pots back in the greenhouse so it looks more clean. Intro. Here's our greenhouse. Here's what it looks like. Let's get repotting. Let's move everything out. Shut up. Look, this baby thyme's growing in there.
Here's all my plants. Right here and also over here. Let's go sweep this whole bug mess out. Okay guys, I finished. Let's show you. Here's what the inside looks like now. Organized. Organized. Thank you so much for watching Sophia's Magical Homestead. We'll see you in the next video. I'm playing extra clip for you now. Hi guys, so while I was editing the video, like the part where I was sleeping, just so you know, there are bugs everywhere. I'm not talking about cockroaches or like tarantulas or anything or spiders. No, I'm talking about insects, like the ones that have more than 8 legs. The one like at least 80 legs or whatever. Those centipedes or whatever. I found so many of them under my pots. That's probably a good way. I needed to cleanse that area and sweep it all up. And next video, I'll be showing you how to make herbs out of my plants. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel so you can have more beautiful gardening adventures with me. Here is my suggestion for left and watch next on the right. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye.